Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in and sign out of your SuperMeme account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type supermeme.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of SuperMeme AI. You can scroll down and look at all the features available, but let's simply focus on logging in. At the top right section of the nav bar, you will see something like login. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to this page, where you can sign in using your Google account or simply using your email address. You can sign in using any two methods available. Right now, I'm gonna sign in using my Google account. Simply click on Google, select your account, and as you can see, we have successfully logged into our account. Now, this is the homepage of SuperMeme. Once you have logged in, you can create memes from right here, text to meme. There are lots of features available here as well if you just search for it. But right now, let's simply log out. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you will find your username. Simply click on it and a pop-up will open showing log out. Simply click on this button right here and then you will be logged out of your SuperMeme account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in and log out of your SuperMeme account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.